Um, is alcohol, hand gel, or sanitizer allowed?
That's a difference among the scholars. First of all, you need to know the alcohol is pure. It is not impure, okay? So the impurity of it is when you drink it. Okay? The impurity of it is when you drink it. But in terms of the the substance itself, it's pure. But because the Prophet ﷺ had cursed, okay, 10 for the wine, 10 things. Wine, which is why it's being cursed because of the alcohol. 10 things because of the drinking. All these because of the drinking. So the one who carries it, the one who's being carried to him, the one who extracted, the one who's being extracted to him, the one who sells it, the one who's being sold to him, the one who buys it, the one who's bought to him. Okay, all of them being cursed just for the sake of the drinking. Because of that, okay, we should avoid it. So that's why. It is not because it is. So if somebody had, let's say, had threw onto you sanitizer or alcohol, pure alcohol, onto your body, okay, threw it on your body, you could pray, no problem, because it's pure. Okay, but now to use it as external, like for example in the perfume and all of that, then we have to first of all to say that is the thing that is being used in the perfume, when they say for example 80% volume, is that alcohol or is it not alcohol? Because there is two things comes out from there: methanol and ethanol. The ethanol is the alcohol, and the methanol is a killing agent. It's like for wiping floors and it's methanol. The methanol is a killer. It's not a something that gets you drunk. So Allahu A'lam, what is in the sanitizer? Is the alcohol or is the methanol?
Ethanol.
It's ethanol. If it's ethanol, then the quantity of it must be so high that if you put it in a drink, it will get you drunk. So our Shaykh al-Albani says it's haram. Some of the scholars say it's no problem.
And to possess it is haram because it's very high amount of alcohol.
Because of yes, haram to possess, haram to use it.
Because the scientists are saying the one which works to kill this is minimum 60%, and the local general hand sanitizer are actually normally less than 60%. So even those buying and trading is just not useful. It's a waste of.
Buying
Maybe more than 60%. But people are buying hand sanitizer
I mean,
like crazy.
use the best thing is soap. Go on, use soap and clean your hand with soap. Even when you make wudu all the time, mashallah, make istinshar, because this coronavirus is going to be coming to you through three things. The main is actually the nose and the mouth. And the eye is actually, because when it comes into the eye produces liquid, and that liquid washes it away. When it washes away, it goes into the canal that which is linked to the nose. It comes to the nose again. This nose there is got the protection, which is called the hair, which is called that thing. That coronavirus, it will stick there until what? Until it has go inside. But you have a big chance to go if you clean it. So you got maybe 3-4 hours before it goes inside your system. So you keep cleaning your nose, okay? That will bring it out. Problem is, if it goes to the mouth directly, then